Welcome to this short video on one of the 50 myCAD tools available, EdgeAnnotations. EdgeAnnotations enables you to insert values for edges of an undefined shape in the form of annotations in a SOLIDWORKS drawing. This tool is based on the rules and symbols of ISO 13715. EdgeAnnotations enables you to create annotations of undefined shapes on external or internal edges. The indications enables you to enter individual tolerances for burrs or clearances, either globally or by giving the direction of the burr or clearance, horizontal and or vertical. When the specification concerning the status of edges applies to all the edges of the part, we can use general indication. For example, a status applicable to all external edges, a status applicable to all internal edges, with exceptions for external edges. To edit annotations, just select and modify the tolerance values. If you would like to know what other tools are available, please watch our videos or use the local help.
We'd like to take a few moments to tell you about our company. Innova Systems are a UK-based authorised reseller for SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD software. We provide the highest quality technical support and training courses to over 1,000 of our customers. Buying from us doesn't just mean a box of software, you also get the backup of our multi-award winning technical support team. Innova have been voted #1 for customer satisfaction for the last 4 years running. We are a company driven by the continued success of our customers. If you're interested in knowing more about SOLIDWORKS or the services we provide, please get in contact with us.